felt more like a winner than I do tonight. Never more certain the path laid before me was right. You over there with the curls in your hair, couldn't find more of a reason to stare. Never seen eyes look into me as you do tonight. And honey, I've been racing the wind like a bird, been chasing the wealth of the world. But it fades when you're near. So tell me where we go from here. Tell me where we go from here. If you'd hate the ocean, then I'd turn the water to land. If you'd miss the sunlight, I'd fill up the cups in my hands. And honey, I've been racing the wind like a bird, been chasing the wealth of the world. But it fades with you near. Tell me where we go from here. Oh, where do we go? The lights burn out low, the spring turns to snow. Where do we go? Whatever I do it with you. 'Cause honey, I've been racing the wind like a bird, been chasing the wealth of the world. Ooh, every stone I've turned, I've spoken out every word. But it fades with you near. So tell me where we go from here. Oh, tell me where we go from here. Tell me where we go from here.
I could never get enough of this opium. Or the crashing sound of the breaking waves down here. Now I've been sitting here most of the day. Don't know why it's so hard to tear myself away. I can almost hear the ocean talking to me, saying, what are you waiting for? When life is an open door, it will never get easier than this. It will never be more difficult to miss. So what are you waiting for? If life is an open door, knows where I am. So I think I'll stay for as long as I can. Sure could use a word of advice. Just see things clearly, now wouldn't that be nice? Dear ocean, won't you talk to me and say, what are you waiting for? When love is an open door, yeah, what are you waiting for? 'Cause it would never get